Are you considering YouTube as part of your social media mix to be adding to your marketing strategy? In today's video, I'm going to be highlighting 3 dentists that are doing an amazing job on YouTube, having a YouTube channel. Hey, welcome to another episode of Digital Dental Marketing Made Easy. I'm Natalia Porras, your host, founder of NP Dental Marketing. You're in the right place if you're a dentist or a dental specialist and you are seeking to leverage social media to grow your dental practice. Today, we are talking about the top YouTube channels. So if you are maybe thinking about adding YouTube to your list of things to do, you might want to get some inspiration from this video from other dentists that are doing a killer job. Now, before I get started, I do want to make sure that you've already checked out our social media starter kit for dentists. It is $37. It's an amazing guide from A to Z on everything that you need to know on how to get social media right for your practice. So firstly, why YouTube? You may have guessed this, but I personally love YouTube. That's why I have a YouTube channel. There's 2 reasons for this. Number 1, YouTube is owned by the largest search engine in the world, which is Google. And so YouTube itself is a search engine whereby you're essentially creating a library, a catalog of videos that are going to remain there and can be viewed for many months and years afterwards. Number 2 reason is because your patients, your prospective patients, when they're seeking you out on Google and they're, let's say, searching for a specific treatment, they're in the stage within their patient journey of already knowing about the treatment and they want to research it further. They want to find out a bit more about it. And so they're highly invested. So it's amazing if you can be the expert that is actually appearing as they are searching for this specific treatment. So the first pick that I have for you as a great YouTube channel is this one, Thrive Dental and Orthodontics. Now this is owned by a couple who have a clinic in Texas. He's an orthodontist, she's a general dentist. If you take a look at their channel and you could sort it by most popular videos, they have a ton of content. Now here's one reason why I really like what they're doing. Apart from the fact that I think they have quality content, which we're going to get into in just 2 seconds, they've created playlists. Why are playlists so important? It's because it curates different videos that are talking about the same topic within a playlist, just like a song playlist. So let's take a look at this. He has educational videos about dentistry and orthodontics. He has a playlist on becoming an orthodontist, how braces work for dental assistants, and then some marketing videos. So each one of these has a different target audience. Let's take a look at the first playlist, which has 24 videos altogether. All of these are for patients. And I would encourage you to go and take a look at this at your own pace within YouTube so that you could take a look at all of the different videos that he has here. There's one in particular that I really liked, which is this one, the braces colors. So, which is actually this video right here. Let's take a look at what he does here. What he is doing is he always has a very nice short introduction where he says what it is that he's going to be covering. He's also actually right now introducing some of his dogs. So he's adding some personality in there so that patients get to know a bit more about him. And within this video, as you could see, he is actually responding to 4 or more different questions in a very simple and quick way. And I like the fact that he's used different graphics on here. So he's mixed some content in there to be able to respond to all of these different questions. So kudos to that. Second YouTube channel up is this one right here, the Innovative Dental of Springfield. And I particularly like his channel because he has a lot of live videos where he does procedures on there, and I like that because in my opinion that shows how much of an expert he is on these treatments, and that demystifies a lot of questions that some patients have. Now he's very careful, I think, in not showing anything that's too bloody or too gory in these live videos. And apart from that, he has a lot of different videos where he just directly answers questions. Very similarly to Thrive, he also has he uses a lot of B-roll in his videos, which I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds, which is good. If you could do that kind of B-roll, if you could have your viewer visualize what it is that you're explaining in a video, I think that just creates for a better, higher quality video. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have this video right here where he is answering to a question, why dental implants hurt. And this is what I mean. So if you see, he's actually using some very simple videos within his videos. So this is a picture within a picture, or a video within a video, where he is using it to really be able to have his patients visualize exactly what it is that he is explaining right here. And this is very easily done. And if you do hear this video, he's answering the question in a very quick, easy to understand format. So the other thing that I really like in terms of what he's doing in a very unique fashion is he is doing these live videos, as I mentioned before, of procedures. And this one is about cosmetic veneers. And he is going to walk you through, so you get dual videos in here. He's going to walk you very zoomed in and you know, at a distance, and he's going to actually be telling us exactly what it is that he is doing. And so if you as a patient have been considering to have a treatment like veneers done, you could actually watch this. And if you're, again, at a patient stage within your patient journey, I should say, where you want to find out more, where you're heavily invested and you're trying to get more research about that specific treatment, this is the kind of video that you're going to want to look out for on Google. Okay, so my third pick for today is this channel right here, Teeth Talk Girl. She is a dental hygienist and she's been killing it on YouTube with 100,000 subscribers on there. Now, I always like to take a look at playlists because it gives me an idea of who she's trying to talk to. So if you take a look at this, you know, she has procedure videos, she has students and professionals, my life and teeth, dental parodies, oral health education, dental humor, dental careers, products and trends. To me, it sounds like she is really talking to maybe either students, so dental hygiene students, or dental hygienists in particular. And if I go back to her videos and we sort by most popular, the most popular one is a video which is a procedural video on how teeth are cleaned at the dentist, which is this one. And if you take a look at it, it is simply a very detailed procedural video, and she explains very much in detail how a dental cleaning is done by a dental hygienist. So she's really the key to, I would say, any kind of YouTube video is really knowing your target audience and what it is that you need to be, or how to be speaking to your target audience. And there you have it. Those are my 3 picks for top YouTube channels in dental. So those are my top 3 picks of YouTube dental channels. Let me know if you think that your YouTube channel should be picked. Let me know in the comments below. As usual, I have a freebie for you, and this week's freebie is an Instagram stories guide for you. If you haven't already done so, make sure to get the guide. I'm going to leave the link as well in the description of this video below. I will be seeing you next time, same place. Bye for now.